the first chapter of computer networking or network operating system. First topic is we are going to discuss what is computer network. So what is computer network? Computer network is it is a connection of interconnected independent computers and devices connected by communication facilities for exchanging information and sharing resources. In other words, we can say that it is an interconnection of geographically distributed multiple computers so that a meaningful transmission and exchange of information may take place among them. This is a simple diagram for computer networks. Now, what are the needs of computer network? There are different types of uses or needs or advantages for computer networks which we are discussed here. Number one, main need of computer network is sharing of resources. Sharing of resources may be sharing of files, folders, audio, video, software, printers, and other types of it may be any devices. Second is connecting and communications. To connect and communicate, we require medias, okay, which we'll discuss later on. Third is improved performance. The performance of computer networks is used for improvement, better improvement. Fourth one is the cost factor. Cost factor is also main cause for the need of computer networks. Fifth one is reliability. We can reliable on these computer networks which are very security and responsible and prevent any unauthorized access. Sixth one is the flexible working environment. The environment which provide computer network is very flexible, which approach to all the needs of different types of clients. Now, what are the disadvantages of networking? We will discuss disadvantages of networking is first is the data security concerns. We have to make a very high efforts to secure the data which are communicate through the networking. Second is network hardware software cost. To set up on computer networks, we need a very hardware and software which are a very high cost. Threat of virus. Different types of virus are main threat for the computer networking. And the fourth one is illegal use. To prevent unauthorized access or illegal use is the main disadvantages of computer networking. This is the main diagram of computer networks. Now we discuss the components of computer networking. Which are the components which are used in networking? We will discuss one by one. Number one is host. Host is of two types, server and clients. They are host. Server means which gives the information to the clients, and clients is the receiving end, which gets information from the server. So these first two components of computer networking are server and clients. Third one is the transmission media through which information is exchanged or become possible. These are two types, bonded medias and unbonded medias. In bonded medias, we have already discussed these are three types, coaxial cable, optical fiber cables, and twisted pair wire cables. And in case of unbonded medias, these are radio signals, satellite sig- satellites, microwaves, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, infrared, and Bluetooth. These are different types of communication medias. Fourth one is, which is very important, to connect to a PC, to a networks, we need NIC, Network Interface Card. Fifth one is hub. Sixth one is switch. Seventh is router, and eighth is gateway. These are all similar types of devices which are used to connect to dissimilar or similar networks. Next is the LAN cable or network cable, which is used to connect it through the network interface card to communicate on the or to connect on the network. And the 10th is modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator, and this is used to convert analog signals to digital or digital signals to the analog signals, which is helpful in communicating or receiving files through telephone lines. This is a simple diagram of components of computer networking we'll discuss, which include server, clients, scanners, modem, gateway, printers, laser printers, network cable, etc. Now, next topic we'll discuss is NOS, Network Operating System. What is network operating system? An operating system that provides the connectivity among a number of autonomous computers is called a network operating system. Network operating system is the software which provides connectivity to different computers. It is also a collection of personal computers along with the common printer, server, file server for archival storage, all tied together via local networks. There are so many different types of network operating systems we used is Windows NT, Windows 2000s, Linux, Unix, etc. And in this chapter we will discuss about Linux, which is a very beautiful, wonderful network operating system which we used all our Android phones, which are we using. Okay, students. So I have some questions on it.